Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'll teach you how to fix add friends not showing on Facebook. So you just want to add a friend but didn't see that option. There are a handful of reasons and I'll attempt to cover them all. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'll open up the Facebook mobile application. Then I'll click on the small search icon at the top of the screen and here I will search for the person profile. Now as you guys can see that there is no option to add the person as a friend. Instead I could only follow her. This is because she is a public figure. Basically, if you are a public figure, you can set your settings so that people can't add you as a friend, but they can only follow you, so there's no way to add them as a friend. In that case, you can only follow them because they are the public figure. There are a few reasons you might not see the add friend option, especially if the person isn't very famous. One reason is for privacy reasons, as so you can go to your Facebook account settings by clicking on the three dots and then go to settings, and then you have to go to audience visibility tab, and here you have to click on blocking. If you have blocked a person, then you cannot see the option of add friend. Now if you want to add a person as a friend, so first of all you have to unblock him and after that you can add him. But there is another way that you have to go back and you have to click on how people find and contact you. Here in the first option is of who can send you friend request. You have to click on this and here you have to make sure that you have to enable this option to everyone, otherwise the option of add friend will not be available. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.